It is time for my signature room tour. This time we're on Utopia of the Seas. This is a Central Park view balcony, 11249. And when you get to your rooms for the first time, they put your SeaPass card right up at the front, and you can use that to open the door. And this is the same size as an ocean view balcony, but it just has a view of the Central Park. So let's check it out. Here's your workstation. You got three regular outlets. You got a European adapter, and you have a USB and a C-type. Here are your drawers and refrigerator. The bathroom is your standard, nothing special. You have two closets, one on this side with the hanging, and on this side you have two drawers and then some shelves and also a little hanging. Your TV is right here facing the bed, and this is the view of Central Park. So it is noisy. You can hear kind of noise bleed through. You hear it? So let's go out here. The door is nice and easy to open. It's on the pump. Here is the view of Central Park, and that's usually the band playing up there. So that is, during the day it can be pretty noisy. You can hear some bleed through, but that is your Central Park view balcony, 11249. Utopia of the Seas. It's a great alternative to an ocean view. It's a little cheaper, and if you get a neighborhood guarantee, you could end up with one of these, or you could end up with a boardwalk. I like these better than the boardwalks. Right, so I'm going to show you the nighttime vibes in the Central Park view balcony. I'm with my brother this time, so we separated the beds. And let's show you the difference between day and night. Here's what we got at night. We got music playing. You have a view of 150 Central Park, one of the best restaurants in the fleet. So that is your view of your Central Park balcony. I mean, yes, you do have people across from you. There are the Central Park view interiors, and then there's your Central Park view balconies. But that's your view. It's kind of nice. Your nighttime vibes here on Utopia of the Seas. Thanks for watching.